Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we're here at CVS for the deals for March 17th through March 23rd. There is not a ton going on. There's some freebies, a money maker, a ton of cosmetics deals. So like if you need makeup, get to CVS this week. They're gonna hook you up. Tons of cosmetics deals, and there's a couple of other nice decent deals, and there's some things I need to check on in store. We got two inserts today. We got a Smart Source and a Retail Me Not. I highly recommend y'all getting papers this week for this Retail Me Not, guys. There are a ton of good coupons in here. Hair care, Dove, there's some new Dove and Axe products that I think we're going to be getting some hot deals on soon that might pair well with the coupons. I did get the high value $5 Nexxus coupon, like shut up Retail Me Not. I never get that. That's a regional coupon. Rare that I get that. So I did get that, and I will be showing y'all that deal in store. So I'm super excited to get in there and see what we can find. I like the deals when there's not like 5-page breakdowns like last week. It's just a little bit overwhelming for me to go in there and like try to figure out all this stuff. But I like it when this is a 2-page breakdown. I can handle that, and it's not so much going on, and we can kind of like be more precise about the deals and kind of focus on them a little bit more. That's just my opinion, but I don't like when there's like a ton going on. I get confused at the register just like y'all. Even though I've been doing this for like pushing on 10 years, I still get to the register and make mistakes, as y'all know, as I bring y'all back to the car. So let's get in there and see what awesomeness we can find this week at CVS.
So the first deal I'm going to start off with is a moneymaker this week. If you saved your 74-cent instant CRT that everybody received last week, so check and see if you still have this. If you didn't use it, you could use it and get a moneymaker. So your Cadbury or Hershey singles are going to be priced for 99 cents this week. So definitely check and make sure they're the 99-cent ones. Scan it at the red box. When you buy one, you're going to get a 74-cent extra care buck this week, limit 1. So you're going to use this 74-cent off CRT right here from last week, and you're going to pay 25 cents out of pocket but receive 74 cents back, making one of your candies a 49-cent moneymaker. Clips gum, they are priced for 99 cents, and when you buy one, you're going to get a 99-cent extra care buck back, limit of 1. So it makes a pack of E-clips, or what's the other flavor, or the extra gum, absolutely free. So I'll pop up a picture here of what the tag looks like. It's by the register and it's gray right now, but get your free gum. So Physicians Formula is on a great promo. They're on a spend 15, get $10 back in extra care bucks, limit 1. So guys, my store does follow the 98% rule, so I could buy this perfect matcha 3-in-1 melting cleansing balm for $14.99, get $10 back, and it would make it just $4.99. That is an awesome deal. I'm trying to pull, they have this new thing where you have to like pull out the tags on things, and guys, they revamped my whole store, so like everything's in a different place. So yeah, these are $14.99 as well, these new serums, if you want to try these out, and they would just be $4.99. If you have a 2 off 12 CVS CRT, you can definitely stack it here for cosmetics, and it will make them just $2.99, so awesome deal. So this deal I am stoked about. Milani is on a spend 10, get $5. That's a 50% savings. Every beauty YouTuber raves about Milani, and a lot of them rave about their strobe light instant glow powders, which is like their highlighters, and specifically the sun glow is what most people I hear rave about, and they're priced for $9.99, so that will trigger the $5. So you're only paying $4.99 for this to try something new. All of their, like, let's see down here, we've got our baked blushes, bronzing powders. They're like in the $10 range. So like I said, I've heard really good things about Milani, so if you want to give it a go, 50% savings. An unadvertised deal, guys, is on the Paparazzi nail polish. They are on a buy 2 get 4, and when you buy 2, they're gonna be $5. So you're gonna pay $5 out of pocket, get the $4 back, so it's gonna make each of them just 50 cents each when you buy 2. And I do like the Paparazzi, but you have to put a really good top coat on it to make it stay, but they have a really good shade range. Alright, so one thing I did not realize, guys, and this is what the tag says, that the JOA Cosmetics Spend 10 Get 8 is good until the 23rd. So I'm not sure if that's going to roll around this week if you did the deal last week. So y'all let me know if you did the JOA Cosmetics deal last week and you do it today and you get the $8 extra care bucks, or if it's just a one-time thing through the 23rd, because it says that this promo is good until March 23rd. So if we can do it again this week, this is amazing because you're getting a $10 product for just $2 $2. And one of y'all sent me Joa Cosmetics coupons in the mail, so thank you so much. So if it works, I will definitely be back to use the coupons and get something for like free. Like what? So yeah, really let me know down in the comments below if it's letting you do this twice up until the 23rd. So like I said, lots of cosmetics deals. Maybelline's on a buy 2 get 5. Not the best deal, guys, for extra care bucks for Maybelline, but we have a mystery CRT we're supposed to be getting at the Red Box. I scanned my CRTs and a lot of them came out funky, like they don't tell me what it's even for. It's all blurred. Some of the barcodes didn't print, so you know, struggle's real up in the CVS. So y'all let me know what the mystery CRT is for Maybelline and L'Oreal. I think we're supposed to be getting either a combo one or a separate one, but I can't tell from what printed. So we also have for Maybelline, guys, if you want to do the deal, we have coupons from our Retail Me Not 3-3 you can stack here. L'Oreal is also on a buy 2 get 5. Again, look for that mystery CRT at the Red Box, and again, coupons from our Retail Me Not 3-3 for L'Oreal products if you use them. Don't forget, guys, that if you have that 20% off NYX Cosmetics CRT that printed for us last week, most of us, they're still on a spend 15 get $5 back in extra care bucks limit 1. So if you love NYX products, you can definitely use that 20% CRT because everything's regular price. It's just on an extra care buck promo. So you can use it and still get the $5 back when getting to your $15 threshold after, or I think it's before the 20% coupon. So you should be good. Pretty decent deal on this Chic Hydro 5 cents razors. They are priced for $11.29 at my store. I thought it was $11.79, so this will be even better if yours is priced for $11.29. But when you buy 2, you're going to receive an $8 extra care buck. We did get a buy 1 get 1 free coupon from our Smart Source today. That is a regional coupon. I did not get that at my Smart Source, but some of you do. So if you have that one, this specific razor is in the picture, so you can use it. So after using that, it'll take $11.29 off. So you'll pay $11.29, but you're going to receive the $8 extra care buck. So it's going to be like $1.70 something cents. I have $1.89 with the other price, but that's a really good deal coming from $11.29 to like $1.70 something for this really nice razor. So really hot deal on Scope mouthwash. They're priced on sale for $4.79, and when you buy 1, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck, limit of 2. We do have $1 off 1 CVS digital you can send to your app, so you'll pay $3.79 after that digital comes off, but you're going to get a $3 extra care buck, making this 1 liter just 79 cents. That's an amazing deal, but we can only do it once because we only have 1 of the digitals. If you have multiple CVS cards or accounts, you can definitely do it that way and stock up on mouthwash, but either way, get your 1 79-cent mouthwash. Awesome deal. So like I was saying earlier, guys, Nexxus is on a hot spend 20 get $10 back in extra care bucks limit 1. We did get these awesome $5 off 1 coupons in today's Retail Me Not. These are regional, like I said. If this Hunctress Condition Caviar Complex is included, it has been included before. My store is not tagged all the way yet. These are $11.79. Pick up 2 of them. Use 2 of the 5 off 1. It does not exclude this product. Also use this 4 off 18 hair care CRT. I just did the math on the fly, guys. I'm looking for it. So after you use 2 of those 5 off 1s and that 4 off 18, you'll pay $9.58 out of pocket, but remember you're getting $10 back in extra care bucks for spending 20, so that'll make 2 of these a 42-cent moneymaker. However, I only have 1 at my store, so I'm going to combine 1 of these plus 1 of their $14.99 shampoo or conditioners, so that is going to make me paying $12.76 out of pocket, but getting $10 back, making them $1.38, which I still think is a great deal coming from $14.99. So I'm hoping this is the one that's included, because again, my store is not tagged all the way. They're remodeling the whole store, so things like they're like cray around here. So in the ad, the Kleenex 3-packs, they're supposed to be on sale for $4.49, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck, limit 1. There are 75-cent off 1 Ibotta rebates. We could submit for this twice, so you'll pay $8.98 out of pocket, but submit $1.50 to Ibotta. Get the $5 for buying 2, making each box 41 cents, which I think is an amazing deal, and everybody's talking about this deal, so definitely take advantage because we don't get Kleenex on sale this cheap often. So pretty decent deal on Oreo cookies, in my opinion, if you eat these guys. So they're $3 each when you buy 2 this week, and when you spend $15, you're going to receive a $3 extra care buck, limit 1. Now, I do have $1 off 2 Oreo, Chips Ahoy, Nutter Butter, CVS CRT, so you could stack that here. We do have $1 off 2 coupons from our 210 Smart Source. You can use 3 of those, and I still have $1 off 2 Saving Star credit. So you'll pay $15 when buying 6 using those coupons and using that $1 off 2 CRT. You're going to receive $3 in extra care bucks, and you're also going to submit that $1 to Saving Star. So final price is going to be $1.83 per package when you buy 6, coming from $4.29. I think that's a great deal, especially if you need them, your family eats them. Pretty decent deal this week. Y'all know I'm always about this deal. I love this before my keto life. This is the Hershey Cookie Layer Crunch. They're priced on sale for $3.79. We all got a $2 instant coupon at the Redbox. Mine did print, but it printed out funky. That's why I'm not showing it to you. So each bag is going to be $1.79. I would pay the $4.99, guys, if I wasn't on keto, because these are bomb.
All right, y'all, out of CVS, and I must report a much better week this week at the register. No issues with coupons, no issues with CRTs, extra care bucks all printed, so it was a winning day. So yes, indeed, thank you, CVS. So I did the mouthwash deal first, guys, because I'm always leery of those digitals coming off. Digital came off just fine, and then it did spit out my $3 extra care buck right here. So that was just 79 cents, which was an amazing deal for that. Super stoked about getting one. I love having, I'm blurring out on y'all always. I love having those in my collection because we use those like crazy. Now this was probably my most favorite deal of the week, and this is the Kleenex tissue. They only had 2 on the shelf, so I felt bad, but I wanted to do the deal, so hopefully they have some in the back somewhere. Definitely always ask, guys, if you don't see anything on the shelf. A lot of times my store keeps stuff in the back. So these wound up being just 42 cents a box because I am going to submit 75 cents to Ibotta for each one that I purchase, so that will be awesome. I love having Kleenex, guys. I think I have maybe 1 box left in my stockpile, so we use Kleenex like crazy in our house, so that just came at a perfect time. So I did the scope, like I said, in 1 transaction. I did everything else in a huge transaction, and I had to pay a ton out of pocket because I didn't have a ton of extra care bucks to roll, and I didn't want to break them up into multiple transactions, which I could have, and come out less out of pocket, but I wanted to show y'all the extra care bucks. So that's why I did it that way, if you're wondering why I, risked taking so much out of pocket. I did the paparazzi deal just because I love these nail polishes. I love the shade ranges. I got this one that says Get Up and Mango, and it's just a nice like peachy mango pink color, perfect for spring and summer coming up. And then I got this one for April coming up for autism awareness because it's blue for the color autism. And this is Seaside Brunch. And I just love, it's coming off darker on camera, but it's really not this dark. I don't know if it's going to come on that dark when I paint them. I do have a blue, but I just love that one. I'm going to wear that for the month of April for Trey Trey. So then I did the Reese's egg. So I did get the, what was it, 74 cents back for this. So this was a money maker when I used that CRT from last week. I did the Eclipse gum. I got the 99-cent extra care buck. I will be showing y'all these in just a second. Total freebie. Definitely get your gum this week. I'm going to give that to the hubby because I can't eat that on the keto train. I know struggle is real. I then did the Milani deal. So I did get one of the highlighters. I didn't get the one that everybody suggested. I got did I? I got Sun Glow. Yeah, maybe I did. I don't know if I meant to pick this one up or not, but regardless, I need a highlighter actually. I ran out of my Urban Decay one, so I'm going to give this one a go because everybody raves about it. It was $9.99. I got the $5 back, so essentially it was $4.99, and I did use a 2 off 12 Cosmetic CRT because I also did the Physicians Formula. I've been wanting to try out this serum. This is a hydrating one, and I always need something hydrating. This one was what, it was $14.99, and then you got the $10 back, so it was $4.99. So we can say either this was $2.99 with the Cosmetic CRT, however you want to look at it, and it did print. So my store only had one of the Humptress conditioners. These are $11.79 at my store. If I would have had 2 of these, this deal would have been a hot money maker. They told me that somebody came in this morning and did it already, and that's why there was one on the shelf, so they were able to get it, so good for them. I want to try the shampoo anyway. This is the Emergency strength and recovery shampoo, and these were like $14 and some change. So I did this in conjunction together with my 4 off 18 hair care CRT and my 2 5 off 1 Nexxus coupons, and it made them like $1 or something each, which I'm fine with coming from like almost $15. Like, shut up. So I don't care that it wasn't a moneymaker. I want to try a new product. So everything that I bought today, guys, I am going to use. I wanted this. I need a highlighter. I love those nail polishes. I will definitely be using them. So the only thing I'm not going to be using, obviously, is these two things. And one of the kids is going to eat this, let's be honest, and the hubby is going to chew on that. So everything else I'm going to be using. So I'm not couponing for things that I do not need anymore. Y'all know that. So y'all going to be shocked because my out-of-pocket before tax, get ready, $37.98. Yes, that's a lot for me to pay out of pocket. I usually don't, even the cashier was like, whoa, is something wrong? Because you don't pay that much out of pocket. No, that's just because I didn't have a lot of extra care bucks and there wasn't a lot of coupons with stuff. There's just a lot of great extra care buck promos. So I got the $5 back for the Kleenex, the 74 cents back for the Hershey egg, 99 cents for the gum, $4 for the paparazzi. That's an unadvertised deal. Definitely, it says up until March 30th. So that's a really awesome deal. And again, don't forget to let me know about the Joa Cosmetics if that is a repeat deal or if it's just a one-time deal in that time frame. $5 for the Milani, $10 for the Physicians Formula, and $10 for the Nexxus, guys. So I got back 10, 20, 25, 29, let's see, 31, 32, 33. So like $33 in extra care bucks, and I paid $37.98 before tax. So you cannot beat that with a stick. I knew I was going to get about the same amount back that I paid out of pocket, so that works for me, and I know I'm going to roll them and use them again here at CVS. So I don't mind paying the out of pocket because I know I was getting it all back. If I was paying that much and only getting like $1 back, then no, it would not be a good deal, but that's not how we roll here, right? So y'all make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these in-store videos at CVS, and if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell, click the subscribe button so you don't miss a video from me. I'm going to be looking at Family Dollar and Dollar General to see if there's anything worthwhile going over there, and if there is, I will bring you a video this Wednesday for one of those stores. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing Sunday. Mama's going to get some coffee. I have not had coffee yet, and it is 10:41 in the day. Like, what is my life? Going to get coffee, and we're running some errands, and I hope y'all score big at CVS. Really awesome deals, guys, this week on some things, and I love that it's a smaller week. So I'll see you guys next time. Kill those deals. Until then, bye.